Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a really cool item that was sent out to me to review. This is an electric pressure washer, 1600 watt. This has 5 quick nozzles that you can swap out on this guy. It has a built-in foam container. You have a 35-foot power cable, a really robust handle as you guys can see here. Now this does require a little bit of assembly. You also have a 16-foot hose. And everything else that you need, guys, comes in the bag. Now it has all of the attachments and including a starter manual. All right, so here's the little starter manual that you receive in the box. So of course, read over your starter manual. You get this little mounting piece right here on the back. That's going to be for your handle. You have a water connection little filter system here to help, ensure that when you're connecting this to a hose that you won't get any particulates going through the pressure washer. So that's really nice. This is a combination of metal and plastic. All right, so we have our 5 little spouts here. Each one of these is for something different. So as we go through these, I'll explain to you what each one of these are going to be used for. All right, guys, really simply, to attach one of your nozzles, you're just going to press down like so, and then let that seat in and just pop that back up just like that, and you're pretty much good to go. And you guys can also see here we have these little holes here. Now these are going to be for additional spouts. You can just pop those in like so, and that way you'll always have access to them whenever you want to change them out. And as I said before, each one of these has a different use. I'll pop on the screen here what each one of these are used for. And then of course this part here is going to connect to, so you just take it like so, press it in, line it up, rotate that into place, and that's pretty much good to go. All right, so there's your handle. Now you do have a little safety button down here as well that you'll be able to engage if you need to. So that'll prevent, the hose, the water pressure from being utilized if you don't want to use it. All right, guys, at the very front of your pressure washer, you will find a number of things. You're going to find your on and off switch right here. You're going to find the hose connector for connecting the hose to it, as well as this section here. This hose here is going to be used for the spray wand. So that's going to just attach right here. This is going to be really easy to set up, guys. This is a very kind of plug and play type of device. So we're going to assemble this and take this guy outside and actually wash some things. Now I want to show you guys a couple of other things about this pressure washer that are really nice. If you turn this guy around here, you can see that we have some really nice wheels on here. Now these are not rubber, they're plastic, but they're still very sturdy. You have a retractable handle here at the top that will allow you to raise this up, and you'll be able to control, when you're walking with it or something like that. This goes up pretty high. And then down here at the base, you have your foam container, and this is where you would place whatever type of cleaning solution you wanted to use with your pressure washer. You can just fill this little container right here for that. All right, so that's pretty much it as a walk around of this device, guys. And like I said before, we also have this piece right here that's just going to clip on, and I'll show you guys where that goes once I have everything assembled. And we're going to take this outdoors and we're going to wash off one of my sidewalks and possibly wash a car. All right, let's go.